everybody, how's it going? Welcome back. Hope you guys are doing good, especially with this quarantine going on right now. Today, that being said, we are starting a new build. It's not a car, too broke for that right now. Let me just show you guys. Since I have so much time on my hands now to do this quarantine, I finally get the chance to fix this up. I've had this thing for probably close to 3 years now, and I've been wanting to fix it up for so long. I just want to say this channel is not going to be all about cars all the time. It is going to be mainly about cars, but I mean, it's just going to be stuff that I'm interested in, stuff that I want to document and I want to show you guys. So just so happens to be that right now, when I got nothing going on, I got this bike here and I want to fix. So what would you guys do if this was your bike? How would you build it? And what are you guys doing in quarantine? Drop a comment down below, let me know. And let's get on the teardown. So I'm not gonna lie, I don't know anything about building a BMX bike, but here I am. So first thing, the nut holding on, I guess you can call it the spindle, is reverse threaded. So I was tightening it when I was first trying to take it off. And second thing, these bearings, posted. So let's finish this up, not much left to go. anyway, this is as far as I think I'm gonna get today. I do not know how to get, well, I think it's an outer race, I guess you can call it that, for the bearings out. I got the top one off here. That's because it had these tabs and I was able to hammer it until it came off. Pretty much good for now. I'm gonna start looking into parts for this kind of thing. Take the axles out of the wheels later, look into tires. So if you guys know good brands for BMX bike parts, let me know. I'll look into it for sure. Gonna be probably keeping the wheels. If not, I'll find some new ones. Gonna get new axles, new bearings, new forks probably. There's and bars. Sanding it all down, cutting off all the tabs for the brake lines and stuff, and for the brakes. Sanding it down, repainting it. What color would you guys like to see on this bike? Let me know. Follow me on Instagram. I'll put some polls in my story and I'll see what you guys like. I really like this turquoise. And drop comments with what parts are good. I'll definitely look into it. This whole quarantine thing is pretty crazy. I know that most states, if not the entire United States, is on lockdown. We're for sure here in lockdown in California. And hopefully everybody's staying inside, staying safe. I know it's hard, it gets boring. Trust me, I'm bored out of my mind every day. That's why I started doing this. Hopefully though, my car should be ready to pick up within the next couple of days. And then we can really start banging out some videos. Pretty much just stay home, stay safe everybody, wash your hands. I just washed mine as good as I could right now, got all that nasty grease off of it. I'll definitely go wash them again. I'll see you guys all in the next video. Stay safe, bye.